Better get out of the way. Oh shoot, somebody is pinned.
They're in deep shit. Otherwise.
Yeah. They got to him. Somebody got on.
I think it's Johnny Henderson.
Johnny and stuck in the...
Somebody's in the hole right now. They better beware is all I can say.
We're going to bulldoze them.
Downstream chaos has the right of way.
Yeah.
All right, let's paddle over a little to the right.
Right?
Yeah, let's move over some.
That side.
We're going to come in too tight. This current is taking you back to the
That's
left.
Steve, isn't it?
Yeah.
He's doomed, man. He's doomed. Are you videoing him? That's awesome.
You are too, right? You are too, right? GoPro on your head?
His battery dead.
Ah.
The GoPro on the head's got the battery dead.
Going for a 5-boat eddy turn.
Man, I'm going to drop in that hole sideways. You better hold on to me really good or I am gone.
Oh.
There's going to be nothing left for me to brace in there. Let me lock myself down in my outfit in case I have to try to roll. All right, Kelsey, where are we?
We're good. I'm all a little bit.
It's around my wrist.
I know.
I got in the water just a little bit. All right, just a hair. Very good. Now paddle.
I'll sweep when I need to.
You're perfect.
Ready? Ready?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we got it. We got it. Drive it hard. Drive it hard.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
That was good.
No time separate.